welcome back. I have been asked to review a product by the amazing MODELONES, and it is this, their Colour Cube 21 solid cream gel polishes inside this. Obviously it's like a record, an LP, but it looks like a makeup palette. So let's open it. So firstly, the box, it is amazing. I love the holographic Colour Cube writing. I love all the little holographic little bits and pieces on it. It's got all the information that you need on the packaging, the weight, how to cure it, how all the ingredients, like how to store it, all the warnings, everything that you need is on the box. If you've never heard of them before, they've only been around since I think it was 2015 they originated. So they're a baby, and they have come so far in such a short amount of time, and that's got to speak volumes for how good they're doing, how well they're doing with their products. So this is it on the inside. So we've got a little booklet, and it tells us everything we need to know. So nail preparation: wash your hands and dry them thoroughly. Use the nail clipper to cut your nails to a suitable length. Gently push back your cuticles or rough skin back with a cuticle pusher. Remove the extra cuticles with a cuticle trimmer. File and shape the nails with a nail buffer / file, and then clean up with a cleaning brush. Wipe off dust with a cleanser pad and allow them to air dry for 15 seconds. So put your base on first. Use the nail brush to dip a small amount of solid gel. One coat, 30 to 60 seconds, depending on your lamp, I suppose. Second colour, again 30 to 60 seconds. Apply top coat and cure. Obviously nail cuticle oil at the end, and then it's even got the removal. File the nail surface with a file. Set the nails in nail remover 5 to 10 minutes. Acetone. Gently push back. Gently push the gel polish away with a cuticle pusher, or if you have a pusher that's a bit like this, that's to remove your gel polish as well. Clip nails to decide length, and then file the nail edges above your surface, and apply cuticle oils to restore your nail health. Lots of Q&As, tips, storage, warning, and contact information. So let's have a look at the actual product, shall we? So firstly, I love that it's come with a brush. I have I don't know if it's MODELONES or not actually, but I have a brush similar to this and I love it. So I was very happy that I had another one. It's a perfect application brush. It comes with, some people call it like packing powder in the bristles when you get a brand new brush. So all you need to do is just loosen it a little bit, just bend the bristles a little bit. It will release that packing powder and your brush is pretty much ready to go. So do you want to see me be stupid and not read the signs that say tear here, open here? I'm so stupid. So yeah, it's all secured. Snip that off, give it a little snipperoo, cut it open. So obviously it's near the hinge, so you're not going to be able to open it, and that just assures that it's all sealed as well. You haven't touched it. No one's touched it apart from you, sorry. I love this. It's a little mixing palette. How cool is that? I've never seen that before. Water droplets or bubbles upon unpackaging are normal, and they're not going to affect the usage. Again, a little tear here to make sure that everything is all sealed. Oh, my daughter walks in as I'm opening this for the first time as well, and she's blown away. 2 seconds and I'll try and find how to add the audio back in. Holy moly! Look at them.
Her uncle couldn't do such a thing.
Gel polish.
Her high school principal stepped in.
It does, doesn't it? Looks like a makeup palette.
Crucial to the case.
Yeah. And they're completely solid.
The one responsible for the...
Yeah, completely solid, but if you touch them, they turn creamy. Yeah, watch. We'll touch one. How cool is that?
But they're solid.
But they're solid.
Like oobleck.
Like oobleck, yeah. It's cool, isn't it? Oh, bless her, she was mightily impressed. She'd never seen anything like this before. They're not really allowed into my nail room very often, so to them, like gel polishes and nail polishes are just polishes in a bottle. So this is all like new to them as well. So I've grabbed 5 short square, medium square-ish nails, and because we touched that pink, it was like it was calling out to me, so I put it on one of the nails. This is not necessarily a set that I'm doing. It's more of like just going with the flow, seeing what the products can do, seeing how well they work with each other, and just going wild, I suppose. I mean, it could genuinely be a set. Someone would, for sure, I'm sure anyway, would wear this. But this is the first coat, and if you read the instructions, and oh yes, it's called Saturated Sunrise. I completely forgot to tell you that, but can you see all those colours? Oh, that's so nice. Yeah, nice and thin coat. Give it a full cure, and then you can go in a little bit thicker on the next one. Keep it thin though, because it is a solid cream. They need to be applied thinly, but that brush is perfect. And the consistency of these gels, honestly, they might be my favourite. They might be my favourite. The consistency is fantastic. It's silky and creamy and smooth, and it's really, really, really nice. Really nice going onto the nail. So I'm going to wipe off the nail in between each colour that I use, and it's just a little bit of alcohol on a lint-free wipe. I don't want to put acetone on this, I don't want to ruin it. So I'm going to put random colours on all the different nails and just see what we can go with. I'm just going to do a thin coat as the base coat for every single one. Going in a little bit thicker for the next coat and making sure that I'm giving them a full 60 seconds cure in the lamp. Whenever, because I've never purchased one of these before for myself or anything, I've never used one of these before, so I have always, when I've seen videos and stuff, I've always presumed that you're not going to get a lot of product because it looks like an eyeshadow palette, and in our heads we know that an eyeshadow palette has got like a couple of mil of depth to that powder, and I think our brains just think that this is going to be the exact same, but it's not. There is so much in there, and it's even better because if you're just starting out, or a lot of people can't afford to buy polishes upon bottles, so this is actually perfect because you've got 21 colours. They're all bright, they're all vibrant. Obviously this palette is, look at that green. It's at one price for 21 colours, and you're going to get a lot of use out of each colour as well. So yeah, I think I've just got to get it out of my head that it's not an eyeshadow palette. It's not going to be tiny depth to it. It has got a lot of depth to it. There is a lot of product in there. So now we're just going to slap some jazz on this nail. I wanted to see if we could do like a little bit of art, a little bit of nail art with the stuff, because I've seen a few people that have said you can't do nail art with it, and I like a challenge. So we're going to try a little bit of abstract nail art and a little bit of wild animal nail art as well. I would say if you're going to, because obviously the application brush that they give you, that's in the package, is perfect for full coverage or doing Frenches or, you know, thicker applications. If you wanted to use a thinner brush, a detailing brush or a lining brush, I would definitely first use the application brush. I used, because there was no black in the palette and I really wanted to add a little bit of black to the nail, so I just grabbed a Modelones black polish, and I thought it'd be okay because it's the same. Yeah, what was I saying? Using a detailing brush. So if you're going to go and try and do a little bit of art with a thinner brush, a detailing brush or a liner brush or something, I found it easier to kind of like warm up the product first with the application brush. Just give it a little, because as soon as you touch it with the application brush, like I was saying to my daughter, you touch it and it just like melts into this creamy, gooey gorgeousness. So doing that first with the application brush, the thicker brush, then it makes it easier to put your detailing brush in or your liner brush ready to do any artwork. As well, I was very, very impressed with, can you see, because obviously I've done 2 coats of that beigey nude, that's the base colour. I've only had to do 1 coat of the green, 1 coat of the pink and 1 coat of the purple. And it's not self-leveling, but it's very, very smooth. It's a lot smoother than other ones that I've tried before in the past from different companies. So I'm very, very happy with that. So I haven't got a discount code as such, but I can get you this palette. Excuse me, Laurie. I can get you this palette or one of the other selections for a discounted price. If you follow the link in the description box, you will find a Model Ones referral link sort of thing. And if you click that, it will take you straight through to where their palettes are on their website, and they'll all be discounted just for you because you're amazing. So I'm going to do that same thing, that same leafy design that I absolutely love. I'm loving drawing leaves like all the time. I'm going to do that to 2 different nails, and then we're going to go a little bit weird and a little bit wild for the rest of them. I just thought I'd see if I could do like little wiggles, little swirls with the stuff, with the product, and that worked out really, really well as well. I've just tried to use like as many colours as I possibly could in one almost set, in like quotation marks, speech ball things, whatever they're called. It's not a set, it's just 5 completely random nails, but they do kind of all tie in together a little bit because the colours kind of go with each other, I suppose. But you keep watching and see the sort of things that I can do, that you can do with that palette. How cool are these looking? So we've just got a matte top coat now, so I'm using the Model Ones matte top coat. I'm going to give them all a gorgeous, gorgeous helping of that. Pop them in the lamp. I'm nearly running out. I have ordered some more though, so fingers crossed I can get them very, very soon. And we're done. Look at these. It's so versatile. I love that you can do full coverage, or you can do a French, or you can do nail art. There's bloody glitter ones in there as well. How amazing is that? And I've just added a bit of their black polish out of the bottle to tie it all in together. So let me know what you think. Let me know if you've got one of these and what you like about it, what you love about it. Look at all the different colours. I really wanted to do a pastel set as well. So keep your eyes out because we'll be doing a bit more. Well, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget the referral discount link is in the description box down below. And don't forget to hit like, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!